Tuya Wi-Fi switch 3 GAN. How to connect need neutral wire. 220 volt live wire connect L. Lamp 1 control live wire connect L1. Lamp 2 control live wire connect L2. Lamp 3 control live wire connect L3. 220 volts neutral wire connect lamp 1, lamp 2, lamp 3 neutral wire. Suitable for square and round installation box. Open mobile phone Wi-Fi and Bluetooth switch. Open Smart Life app. Add find equipment. Add switch, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Input Wi-Fi account and PIN. Look for the switch. Switch Wi-Fi light indicator flashing fast. Waiting for connect network. Success.